Some Spotify users cannot stream and download music with that app because of an error code 4. Now, if this also happens to you, here's what you should do. Now, one confirmed solution for the error code 4 is to flush the DNS cache. And for you to do that, you have to open command prompt with admin rights, type in the following command, then press enter. Once done, wait for the process to be finished. Now, another possible solution is to change the proxy option to HTTP. And for you to do that, all you have to do is open the Spotify app, click the username option, click Settings, click the Proxy Type drop-down menu to select HTTP, then select Restart App to apply. Lastly, reinstalling Spotify could solve any unknown reasons for error code 4. Just search for the Spotify application with your desktop, right-click, then select Uninstall, and once you're done doing that, search for Spotify in your browser, and then download the desktop version. So that's what you can do to fix Spotify code 4 connection error in your Windows 10 and Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.